is your First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
Great to have you with us here on News 5 at 6. There's a live look in the city. We've got mostly cloudy skies, but it's dry across the Springs right now. That's live from the north end of Pueblo, breezy with sunshine. And my favorite shot of the day, the north face of America's mountain from Woodland Park. Partly cloudy skies. It's dry across Teller County right now. Big weather story, next weather maker. I gave you the first alert on this thing late last week, and here we go. We're going to see waves of energy moving across from west to east over the next several days, all the way into Friday and Saturday, and a series of cold fronts coming through to keep things really unsettled around here Tuesday all the way through Friday, maybe into Saturday as well. For Pueblo, I've got rain showers in the forecast, rain for parts of the lower elevations, and for Colorado Springs, the Pikes Peak region, yes, the S word, busted that out in May again. Snow certainly in the mix. Let me show you how it's all going to shake out. This is Wednesday morning. We've got rain across a good chunk of the News 5 viewing area. Then Wednesday night into Thursday morning, yes, that's snow across the Pikes Peak region, also across the higher elevations along and west of I-25. And then Thursday night into Friday morning, more snow possible for Colorado Springs and more rain across the Pueblo area. Too early to tell you how much snow is going to accumulate, but just keep in mind it's going to be unseasonably cold around here from Wednesday all the way into Friday, with a very good chance of getting some beneficial moisture. Right now, quiet across the Springs and Pueblo, tracking thunderstorms out near the Kansas border. They canceled that severe thunderstorm warning out across Baca County. Still have some hailstones with some of those cells out near the Kansas border, especially this one out over open country south of Highway 50, lifting off to the northeast at about 20 miles per hour. That severe thunderstorm warning is off into Kansas right now. They could actually see thunderstorms produce some hailstones and maybe even some tornadoes out across the Kansas border into portions of western Kansas here for the rest of the night tonight. You can see that thing lifting off to the north and east, and there is just a ton of dangerous cloud to ground lightning with those thunderstorms. Look at this. We've counted 360 cloud to ground strikes just within the past 10 minutes. Stay indoors if you're across that area. Again, nothing happening in Colorado Springs or Pueblo. Tracking a line of thunderstorms right along the Palmer Divide right now. There is dangerous cloud to ground lightning with those thunderstorms. Maybe some small hail, maybe up to nickel size, with the strongest part of that thunderstorm that's approaching the Lyman area. Here's what happens around here from the rest of the night tonight into tomorrow morning. By 8 o'clock tonight, still tracking some thunderstorms just east of Colorado Springs. Those thunderstorms will continue to march from west to east. Now early tomorrow morning with that upslope flow, we're going to start with low clouds, fog, maybe even drizzle across parts of the viewing area. Midday sunshine breaks, then we'll see those thunderstorms fire up across the higher elevations, make a push across the I-25 corridor. If we see severe thunderstorms tomorrow, I think the greatest possibility down across the southern plains, out across the southeastern portion of the state, places like Baca County, Prowers County, into Los Animas County as well. I think it'll be a little too stable around here, the Springs and Pueblo, to get anything severe going, but we'll watch it closely, keep you updated. Pueblo, your high today, 80 degrees, in the Springs, 74. Those temperatures quite a bit warmer than what we average this time of the year. Outside right now, we've got 50s, 60s, and 70s across the viewing area. Obviously, some rain-cooled air in the Springfield area, only 55 degrees there. Here's how cool we get tonight, and these numbers actually a little warmer than average. Afternoon high temperatures tomorrow will respond to that cold front by cooling quite a bit. Tonight, though, dropping down into the upper 30s from Calhan, Black Forest, out to the Monument area. Afternoon highs tomorrow, take a look, only 50s and 60s, replacing those 70s and 80s that we had today. And yes, we've got rain in your Tuesday forecast. In fact, moisture a way of life around here for the next several days into the weekend. We always worry about fire danger. I think this is really going to help mitigate the fire danger that we're concerned with. Afternoon high temperatures, though, really fall off winter-like on Thursday, with a high of only 40 degrees. And yes, keep in mind, late Wednesday night, Thursday morning, late Thursday night into Friday morning, it will be cold enough for snow, even across the lower elevations of Colorado Springs. In the Pueblo area, if you like variety, I've got you covered. 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s, all squeezed into the next 7 days. You were really dry in April, so a good chance of getting some makeup moisture tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, into Friday as well. And then just in time for the Mother's Day weekend, it warms up and it dries out. For Canyon City, late nights and early mornings, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, you could see a rain-snow mix or just have that moisture change to snow. We'll keep you updated on that as the week progresses. And in Woodland Park, snow gear required with this forecast. Some of the models kicking out maybe 5 to 7 inches of snow by Friday morning across the Woodland Park area. That's a 3-day accumulation, but you can see we're going weather alert Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Storm impact of 2 on our 2 to 5 or 1 to 5 impact scale.